Welcome everyone, I'm Eszter Kovacs, co-founder of Drone Talks, and I would like to introduce you the latest initiative of Drone Talks called Aerial Cities. Aerial Cities is a VIP invitation-only event which will take place in November in Switzerland. The event will focus on Europe and European stakeholders with the aim to connect aviation drone companies with CAAs and city representatives. The board consists of industry leaders, governmental bodies, and of course Lorenzo, Murzilli and myself as co-founders of Drone Talks. The event is free, however, the invitation list, as mentioned previously, will be curated by the board of the event. We also will set up a conference and networking initiatives. If you would like to attend the event, there will be a link here in the description. Fill the form please and let us know why you must be there. Thank you so much for your support. Please comment, share your thought and check out our webpage about Aerial Cities.